Thing is so difficult now, especially with the pandemic. Social anxiety has increased, and it's actually become more difficult for students to come onto campus and learn.
Amaya and Samantha are part of a newly formed club at La Quinta High School that aims to make sure students have a safe environment to be heard. The club is called Peer Support, and it runs out of the Medical Health Academy on campus.
Suicide rates have gone up, depression has gone up, and it's just really impacts us because we want to make sure that everyone just feels like they have a safe space to go to.
The program is just one of many offerings within Desert Sands Unified School District. There are different resources depending on certain needs.
So you'll see at different sites, you'll see more anxiety groups or more grief groups or more self-esteem or social skills. So it's really based on the specific need of the site.
Block says information from social emotional learning lessons from the elementary, middle, and high school levels shows the pandemic has had a definite impact on mental health.
Have you seen a difference in the amount of people coming forward asking for some help for their mental health since COVID?
We've seen an increase in anxiety, in depression, in grief. We've also seen some changes and disruptions in sleep and also increased electronic exposure.
According to the CDC, teenage depression and anxiety is not uncommon, but the pandemic has introduced other stressors: remote learning, social isolation, the economic burdens on families, and the loss of family members to COVID have worsened existing mental health challenges. Block says more students at all grade levels are asking for help.
I think that we see an increase in referrals because one is we have wellness providers that know how to identify it. So when we know how to identify it, then we can make the referral. And number two, because we've done more social emotional wellness promotion, it's okay for students to be able to say, hey, I may need to talk to somebody about this.
But what about the younger kids who are undergoing trauma at home? How do they get help? Meet the De Leon Arambula family. In the past year, drug addiction, an arrest, and their 3 young boys taken by Child Protective Services had them making dramatic life changes to get help for their entire family. They were referred to Olive Crest.
And now that since the program's come into our lives, you can see for yourself, they opened up a lot. I mean, they're more outgoing, they're more talkative. They're not so closed off as before.
While Mom and Dad were working on their sobriety, the 3 boys ages 10, 9, and 2 were getting the counseling and mental help they needed through Olive Crest's wraparound program, which addresses and involves the entire family's issues with individual attention.
Yes, and they're doing tremendous in school again. Just this program helped out so much because they don't only work with you inside your home and with you as a family, but they also go to the school and interact with the teachers and sit in the class with the kids. So this program, it does wonders.
Olive Crest provides hope and healing for children who have suffered from abuse and neglect. I was able to Zoom with 3 women working with the organization who told me while they try to accommodate the needs of children and families here in the Valley, a recent opening of a new clinic proves there's high demand for services.
In the last how many months that we've just been open, we've already hit capacity. So we do know that there is a need for mental health services out in the Valley.
Would you all agree it feels different talking about mental health now?
I think the more that we can talk about these issues publicly, I think the more likely we'll be able to break down that stigma, and people will be more willing to provide the services that are needed.
Bottom line, there is help. All 3 school districts in the Valley have resources for mental health help for students and families. You can find that information and what Olive Crest has to offer on our website, kesq.com.